Justanical keyboards attract typists and gamers with their precision and reliability. Homeowners are increasingly seeking products that deliver both weed control and fertilization in one application. Weed and feed solutions save time. Improve? List none. The Scott's Turf Builder WinterGuard Fall Weed and Feed 3 is specially formulated for fall application, preparing your lawn for the winter ahead. It strengthens grass roots while simultaneously targeting broadleaf weeds like dandelions and clover. Its dual-action formula feeds the lawn with essential nutrients while preventing weeds from robbing your grass of resources. Perfect for cool season grasses, this product ensures a greener, denser lawn come spring. Easy to spread with a broadcast spreader, it's an ideal seasonal choice. List number: Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action. The Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action is a powerhouse that fertilizes, prevents crabgrass, and kills broadleaf weeds in one step. Unlike single-purpose products, it offers a complete solution for maintaining a healthy lawn all season long. With its weed-targeting action, it effectively eliminates common nuisances such as dandelions and clover while nourishing the soil. Its crabgrass prevention makes it especially useful for spring and early summer applications, a strong all-in-one option for homeowners seeking convenience and efficiency. List number: Maximum Green and Growth Fertilizer. Hi! For those who want an aggressive boost in lawn health, the Maximum Green and Growth Fertilizer delivers high nitrogen levels for rapid greening and thick growth. It's designed to promote lush, vibrant turf while indirectly reducing weed growth by crowding them out. Suitable for various grass types, this formula is best for homeowners aiming for fast results. While not primarily a weed killer, its growth-focused approach enhances overall lawn resilience, making it harder for weeds to thrive. List number: Advanced 16-4-8 Balanced NPK Lawn Food Quality. The Advanced 16-4-8 Balanced NPK Lawn Food is a premium liquid fertilizer designed for even nutrient distribution. Its formula provides nitrogen for greening, phosphorus for root strength, and potassium for overall lawn health. This balanced NPK ratio makes it versatile for all seasons, giving lawns a consistent, healthy appearance. Applied with a sprayer, it's easy to use and highly effective. While it doesn't directly kill weeds, a stronger, healthier lawn naturally resists weed invasion over time. List number 5. The Spectracide Weed and Feed 20-00 is a convenient, ready-to-spray solution that attaches directly to a garden hose for easy application. With 20% nitrogen, it provides rapid greening while effectively targeting broadleaf weeds. Its liquid form ensures quick absorption and fast results, making it ideal for homeowners who prefer a hassle-free approach. Great for spot treatments or whole lawn coverage. This product is versatile and effective, a go-to choice for those seeking both convenience and visible improvements.